Curry trying to work behind screens. Picked up here by Harden. Shoots over him. Shot clock. Paul has to force one. And a deep three-pointer going into the body of Steph Curry. And a little shimmy and
not necessarily the defense of Minnesota.
And ended an 11-0 run by Houston. Here's Harden again. That's a 2 in a row.
Combo shaky head. Yes.
Four rebounds. Wade to the rim. Denied. In the finger wag. Oh, yeah, stir it up. And continues to play hard and aggressive.
And blocking James Harden. Out of bounds, but what an effort. Tracked him perfectly.
Oh, he just did
Matumbo?
Harden's thing.
Oh, the stir?
Yeah. Right back at you.
Oh, brother.
Don't poke the beard.
The shot clock, important possession with a heat up one. 33 for James.
Up with another rebound. Outlets LeBron. And he is fouled. It counts in the foul on Carmelo Anthony. So LeBron James.
Durant pokes it away. Randall fouls him to no avail. And Durant another chance for a three-point play with 20 seconds.
Look how far away he is.
His final attempt. Oh, and he slams it home. Larry Nance with a reverse one-handed windmill over the right shoulder. What an athlete.
Here we go. Oh, okay. Okay. And he still slipped. Okay. And he still slipped a little bit. It's over. I can't say it's over. You can't say it.
University of Tennessee paying off big as the 40th pick in the 2015 draft. Projection, but he's going to be whistled for his first foul.
Whiteside's body, because that's what he does so well.
Foul by Green. Face of Draymond Green.
Marv, I know this for a fact. Jefferson.
Austin Rivers.
Way to go, Vince. Way to go, Vince.
Pick it up already. Pick it up already. Woo! Yeah. Pick it up.